If you want to learn your favorite songs on the piano fast, like actually fast, lead sheets are the secret. They're the shortcut almost nobody talks about, and once you understand how they work, you can play practically anything. I've learned tons of songs this way because it's simple, it's flexible, and honestly, it's way more fun than trying to read full pages of sheet music. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use a lead sheet to play What a Wonderful World step by step, even if you're a total beginner. By the way, if the chords you see today feel new or confusing, I made a practice planner that walks you through all the common chords you'll see in lead sheets. Just comment practice planner below or grab it in the description of this video and we'll send it to you. Before we start playing, I want to clear something up that stops a lot of adults from ever learning the piano. A lot of people think you have to read full sheet music to play songs, and that's just not true. Traditional sheet music is written for classical players. Every note, every rhythm, every detail, and that's great if you want to play Beethoven. But if you just want to play real songs you love, that level of detail is not necessary. Lead sheets are different. They give you three things: the melody, the chord symbols, and the lyrics. And what happens is you get to fill in the rest. You get to choose how full or simple you want the song to sound. That's why lead sheets are amazing for beginners. The heavy lifting is already done for you. So let's look at a lead sheet. On your screen, you'll see the lead sheet for What a Wonderful World. At the top, you have the melody. Those are the notes you'll play with your right hand. And above the staff, you'll see the chord symbols, things like C major, E minor, F, G, A7, stuff like that. We're going to start by just learning the melody. No chords yet and no left hand, just the melody. So let's take the very first phrase. The melody starts on a C, so it goes like this. So what you'll do first when learning a lead sheet is reading the right hand melody and getting comfortable with that, just like I did. Next, we're going to add the left hand, but we are only going to add the root notes. Now let's look at the chord symbols above the melody. The first chord is F. So in your left hand, I just want you to play a single F. Nice and simple. When the chord changes to A minor, all you're going to do is just move to A and just play A. Then once it gets to B flat, you're going to play just a B flat. So these are just the root notes of the chords, nothing fancy. So now let's combine your left hand roots with the right hand melody, and it'll sound like this. That already sounds like a song, right? So this is why lead sheets are magical. You can get to the music so much faster. Once you're comfortable playing just the root notes in your left hand, we can take it a step further and actually turn those chord symbols into full chord shapes. So instead of only playing a single F, you're going to play the whole F major chord in your left hand like this. Same thing with the other chords, A minor, B flat, and so on. And don't worry about any fancy fingering or patterns yet, just land on the full chord shape. So now when we combine the melody in your right hand and the full chord in your left hand, you're going to get a much richer sound. So even if you just play the chord once for each measure like I did, it immediately fills everything out. And by the way, if you're just getting started on the piano, I recommend downloading my free piano practice planner. It'll get you started playing your first song with chords. So comment practice planner below or head to the link in the description of this video to get it. Once you're comfortable landing on those full chords in your left hand, we can start making them sound a lot more musical. Right now, you're just playing the chord as one big chunk, which is totally fine and a great place to start. But watch what happens when you break the chord up a little bit. Instead of playing basic chords, you could do this. So that's one thing you could do. Or you could go like this. So this already sounds very creative and musical. So now you've got the right hand playing the melody, the left hand playing broken chords or a simple pattern. So this is the point where things start to feel really fun, because suddenly it sounds like the actual song. But before we wrap up, I want to remind you of something really important. Most people think playing songs on piano requires years of lessons or perfect technique or reading every single note exactly as it's written. But when you use lead sheets, none of that is true. Lead sheets let you skip the part that slows most adults down, the overload, the pressure, the perfectionism, and jump straight into actually making music. They give you permission to play in a way that feels natural, expressive, and human, even if you're still a beginner. So if you've ever felt behind or not talented or like you waited too long to start, you haven't. You just needed a method that matches the way your brain learns as an adult. And lead sheets do exactly that. And if you want help building the chords that show up in lead sheets, remember, comment practice planner below or grab it in the description of this video and we'll send it your way. It'll walk you through the chords step by step so you feel confident instead of overwhelmed. So up next, I recommend watching this video. It'll show you the easiest way to read music fast. So be sure to check it out. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.